the number of leaves have been reduced to 12 in a year. And I would say that as a number that does look reduced. If I look at the current situation, the present scheme that we are having, actually we are having the similar number of leaves per year that we say for the article students. And how do I justify that, or how do I explain that? Presently, if we see that the regulations provide that in a 3-year articleship, the number of eligible leaves is 1/7 of the number of present days, which arithmetically, all of us know it works out to 156 days over a 3-year period. Because in the present scheme, we have the final examinations that a student can appear in the last 6 months of his or her articleship. It is expected that a student would proceed for the exam study leave. And as a benchmark, I can put that at least 4 months is the period of that the student would go on an exam preparation leave or an exam study leave at least. And this I'm being very conservative as far as the final examination is concerned. So if I put 4 months to it, it works out to 120 days. So from the 156 days of eligible leave that a student has, if I deduct 120 days, what we are left with is 36 days. Now 36 days over a 3-year period works out to 12 days in a year. And that is what has been proposed in the new scheme of education and training, where we have proposed 12 days in a year or 24 days over the 2-year practical training period. And this I'm being very conservative. We know in the current scheme, we have students who would have cleared one group of intermediate exam, would have joined articleship, so they would go on leave for the second group, which I have not factored in this calculation. There would be students who might be taking more than 4 months leave also for preparing for the final examination, which I have not taken into this calculation. This is a very, very conservative estimate of 120 days, for that is 4 months for the final examination leave. So if we look from this perspective, that presently also over a year, a student gets 12 days of leave, and that is what has been proposed in this new scheme of education and training. So it is not that from the institute or board of studies, we have reduced the leave, we have kept it at par. It's just that number which looks smaller in when we look at it. That is what would be my response to it.